Severe weather alert continues. This coverage on 12 News will be on until noon, at least, maybe longer if we have to. This is the I-Way Bridge. You can see here behind me, 195 east and westbound. Nobody on the roads. That's good news. Statewide travel ban in effect now until 8 o'clock tonight. So let's send it over to Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca. One thing that goes along with this blizzard, Tony, is, of course, these strong winds. And moments ago, you were telling me about a 95-mile-an-hour wind gust out on Cape Cod. And
Brittany was Truro, so it's unofficial, but it doesn't surprise me, Patrick, because we've got an official gust of 70 on Nantucket. We've had some reports of 80-mile-an-hour gusts out on other parts of the elbow of Cape Cod. Now, naturally, the Cape being sticking out over the ocean, seeing the stronger winds. Speaking of strong wind, somebody tell me where that, I can't even tell. That's Newport Harbor. That is like complete blizzard. Whiteout conditions right now. The snow blowing sideways, gusting over 40 miles per hour, very heavy snow. And we know it's heavy snow. It's this dark blue that's moving over Newport and really the entire area right now. This is really the height of some of the heavier snow coming down at the rate of 1, 2, 3 inches per hour. So let's go to New Bedford live, where it has just been ripping wind and the heavy snow. Very difficult to measure, just for the simple fact that it just continues to blow and drift, and that heavy snow continues as we take a look at other locations on Doppler Radar. First of all, some updated snowfall totals. Norton, Mass at 7. John Petracca, no relationship, in Boroville at 7 inches, very windy. West Warwick 6.3, but that was about maybe 30-45 minutes ago, still snowing heavily. Over half a foot in New Bedford, very windy. And Norton, okay, so that's the old one. Norton was 6.1, now you're 7.7. So I'm glad we were able to show that. You can see the difference in how, the snow has been going up, the snowfall rates. And we take a look at the Doppler radar. And the colors, well, the color of blue represents snow, but it's the darker blue is the intense areas of snow. You see one strip back in here. See the little thin lighter blue? That's light snow. And then there's the very heavy snow coming into Newport, Block Island, really essentially Providence Point south and east right in here. So these are intense bands. You can see the wider view, and it's really this whole strip right in here that's going to put down quite a bit of snow over the next several hours as this pinwheels in off the ocean. Storm itself intensifying rapidly. Narragansett, you're in that heavy snow band as well, and in some cases the visibility is like 100 yards or less. So all the more reason why travel is not recommended in a situation like this. There's blowing and drifting of the snow. North Scituate, heavy snow. This is the intersection of 101 and 102. And the problem for some of the road crews is that, they'll clear the road and then the wind blows the snow back over the road again. And you can see some of the high winds there. I'm going to show you the wind speeds. These are sustained winds, and this is pretty impressive. In other words, the wind is consistently blowing now close to 30 miles per hour in Providence. And look at Nantucket. That is a sustained wind, not a gust, of 51 miles per hour. So I think the risk of any power outages is certainly higher on the Cape and the islands, just for the simple fact that you've had stronger wind there. But there may be some scattered outages in other locations as well, but the winds have been very strong. In fact, these are the peak wind gusts, not sustained, but rather wind gusts. So 67 Nantucket, it did gust to 70 a little while ago. So the Truro and I believe it was Provincetown gusting 80, 90 miles per hour. That is quite possible. Gusting now close to 50 in Providence, close to 50 now on Block Island, and gusting to 41 in Newport. And these wind gusts will continue to rise. So a very heavy wind, very heavy snow. The net result is this: 0. Visibility in some cases, just 100 yards in some locations. So blizzard conditions are ongoing right now. Temperatures that are in the upper teens to low 20s. It's a very cold snowstorm. Wind chills running below 0 as well. So pretty much the same deal. Heavy snow, strong wind, and blizzard conditions at times in some of these heavier snow bands. We've had reports already. You get some claps of thunder and lightning, and it's pretty rare to have that in a winter storm, but when it does happen, it's an indication that there's some pretty strong snow bands and a pretty rapidly intensifying storm off the coastline. 15 to 18 inches with locally higher amounts expected by late this afternoon and early evening. WPRI.com, a wealth of information and blogs on this storm. You can check it out there too.